Welcome to the Fast Active Directory tutorial. My name is Sergio and I will be teaching you the main concepts of this software. Before we start, let's have a look at some few remarks. First of all, this tutorial is meant for those people who want to start working as IT support, so the explanation will be fast and simple. They are focused only in practice and more precisely in tickets management. Later on I will explain how this ticket system works. Then we are using Windows Server 2016, and before beginning I will spend some time showing how to set up Active Directory. Okay, let's see. In case you don't have Windows Server 2016, you have to install it. It's really easy, just install it in the same way you install Windows 10. In my case I downloaded the standard version, but for this tutorial the data center or essentials version will be okay. Just an additional comment, when you install Windows Server and select the desktop experience option, this one, or you won't see Windows Server environment as Windows 10. If you select the first option, you will have only the command line tool, I mean the prompt. Okay. After Windows Server was installed, the first thing to do is starting the Server Manager. We type Server Manager and keep in mind that this Server Manager starts when Windows starts. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to make this computer a domain controller. Remember that Windows domain is a form of a computer network in which all user accounts, computer, printers, etc. are registered with a central database, and the computer having that database is a domain controller. We can also have more than one domain controller, but in this example we will have only one. And let's also bear in mind that the concept of Windows domain is in contrast with that of workgroup, in which each computer maintains its own database. I mean, workgroup, each computer own database. Domain controller, only one computer have the entire database of the network. That's the main difference. Okay, let's click on Add Role and Features here and click Next. We click on role base, so we leave it as this, role base. Click Next. And this is the name of the computer having the domain server, this one. I want to keep that name, so I click Next. Well, the option we pick here is Active Directory Domain Services. Here I'm gonna click on that. That's the only thing you need. I'm just gonna click on Add Features. Click Next again. I'm just gonna click Next, and now Install.